Hello and welcome. I just quickly wanted to show you what I did to this flower pot that I accidentally dropped. The whole thing is a Christmas gift, or rather it was a Christmas gift because this video will be out after Christmas. There is a certain technique called Kintsugi, I think. Yeah, it's a Japanese thing, and basically what you do is if some piece of porcelain breaks, you don't repair it with normal glue, but instead it's some kind of golden lacquer called urusti. I'm gonna put everything in the description. I'm tired and I forgot how language works, and I don't speak Japanese, so please don't hold me accountable for that. But the point is that you make things more beautiful even though they are broken, or especially because they're broken. And I don't have any of those fancy equipment, special gold paints. I just used acrylic paint. And what you're not seeing in the video because I forgot to record is after I stuck everything together with the gold paint, I just covered the inside of the pot with some normal glue, just in case it didn't stick. And that's basically it. It's not any special acrylic paint either, it's just gold paint. And I used quite a thick layer of it, just so it comes out at the edges, and after it dries you might want to paint over it if you attempt something similar, but maybe just don't drop your flower pots in the first place like I did. Yeah, so maybe I shouldn't have done that. And what I should also say, because you will see later on I have some band-aids on my left hand, I was trying to clean some of the soil off these shards, and they have quite sharp edges, like porcelain knives, but they're not knives, they just hurt. So I've cut my fingers, it bled quite a lot, it hurts. I still can't really type on my phone because I use both hands, and now I just either leave voice messages or type just with my right hand. But it's really annoying to have my two main fingers on my left hand impaired. So please take care when you're handling shards in it. Not just glass shards, but porcelain can also be very dangerous. And yeah, I made some mistakes, like took that off again and cleaned it, put it on again. So the first attempt wasn't really good, but here you can see the final piece. Everything is sticking together nicely, and what I did is just put in some rocks and some soil. This is also the contents that have been in there originally. I kept them in a bowl next to it because I knew I wasn't going to throw away that pot. I quite like it, and I still need a gift, so I hope it's a good gift and the person I'm giving it to likes it. But I think so. I mean, it's a plant. Plants are cool. Yeah, so here I'm putting in that little guy and just filling up some new soil, and I hope that the plant is surviving everything and it hasn't been too stressful. Yeah, and otherwise, I mean, except for the fact that I cut my fingers, I would definitely do it again. And it's quite an easy project, you just need to be careful. But the painting and gluing together process is quite easy. So I thought it would be an interesting thing to share. Maybe some of you tried it, and probably everyone has seen a similar picture on the internet, like on Pinterest or something, because it looks aesthetic and it has this kind of Japanese minimalism. So yeah, just going with the flow. Yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed my video, and yeah, you're always leaving very nice comments, so keep that up. And if you're new here, do one subscribe and do one like. And have a nice day and see you. Bye.